Hello there and welcome to TereTeknik. Today I'm back with another brand new video, and in this video I have a Toyota Avensis 2012 model. It has this original screen. We will be changing it with an Android head unit, and we will be installing. I won't be showing the whole installation guide, but I will show you in time lapse, and I will see you after the installation. So welcome back. Now we have installed this beautiful Android head unit in this Toyota Avensis, and I will be talking about some of the very basic functions, but before we get into that, I will let you know that by installing our head units, you don't need to worry about losing any of your original car functions, such as steering wheel buttons or parking sensors, front parking sensors, or any other. In particular, if you have any other car, if you have original functions, they will work as they worked before, but even you will have more functions. So first of all, if we talk about the screen, this is an Android 10, 4 gigabytes of RAM, 64 gigabytes of memory. The latest Android head units that we have right now, we also have it in Android 12 as well. The price or the quality and the specification can be adjusted by the customer likings. So first of all, this is an Android head unit, so it has built-in Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. It also has Play Store that allows you to download any kind of application such as YouTube or Spotify, Netflix, or Google Maps, Waze. Basically anything that can be downloaded from Play Store, you can download and use it in your screen. You can also connect a back camera with this screen, as well as front DVR camera. You can also use wireless or wired Apple CarPlay or Android Auto with our stereos, and it also has a very cool functions of DSP functions, which is you can use it to adjust or to customize sound quality. You can higher the bass, distance, treble, or a lot of other settings as well. You also have a function to wheel key study. So for instance, if you want to set up some different functions, this car doesn't have many buttons, just have the volume up, volume down, and for the channels or for the music to skip. So if you want to for example, if I press and hold this button, and if I want to adjust it on volume up, I will click here and I will press OK. Then I will press and hold the minus volume down button. It will take me here, and I will leave the button and I will click on the minus this one. And now if I want to adjust this these two buttons, I can do it anywhere I want. So if I press and hold on it, it is already adjusted here. If I press and hold this one, it's already it's not adjusted, so I can adjust it to maybe backwards here. Or if I want any other functions, I can set that as well. For example, equalizer, apps, EMS, or radio, I can set any functions to these buttons. So if I press OK, and now if I play any song and use these steering wheel buttons, they will work perfectly fine. Then you also have some other cool features. Basically, the original stereo, it has the radio functions, but this one has built-in radio functions that uses original radio antenna, and you can basically save all the channels here as well, and you can use radio as normal. We have frequencies for all the countries, depending on where you live. If you're from Norway, this also support the DAB and the DAB Plus, and you will get for free of cost. You can also install a DVR, as I mentioned. You can play video or audio externally through the USB cables that we have installed on this side. You can insert a USB flash disk in it, and you can play any kind of video or play any kind of music. You can also use any kind of navigation software, doesn't matter what it is, and it will work perfectly fine. We have installed a GPS antenna as well in this car. So these kind of stereos, they come with all the cables and connectors that are necessary in order to make it work in your car, to make it fully car compatible. So you don't need to buy anything extra. If there is anything extra, we let you know before you purchase. So if you have any queries about any of Android head units, doesn't matter what car you have, you can contact us. I will leave all the particular links and our contact information in the description below as well, so you can contact us. I will be very happy to answer it. So that's it for today. I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye bye.